Okay, so let's start with the first one. Okay, and the first one says uh, to check if the student is between the ages of 9 and 12. Okay, so if you want to plot this in a number line to find the range in which we want the age to be. Okay, so if you plot it in a number line, it would look something like this. So let's say this is 0. Let's do blocks of 2. Okay, so let's say 2, 4, 6, 8. This would be 10, 12, 14, right? So 9 would be somewhere here, right? That's let's say 9, and that is 12. So you want to check if the student is between the ages of 9 and 12. So in this range right here, okay, this is the range that we are checking for. Okay, 9 and 12. So what we want to do is we want to see if the student is, or if the age is greater than or equal to 9. So this is the range, right? So age greater than equal to 9. Okay, uh or I'm sorry, and age less than equal to 12. Okay, that's the Python expression. If you said if you said age is greater than 9 and age is less than 12, that's okay as well. Okay, because in English the sentence is somewhat ambiguous, right? Does this mean it's inclusive of ages 9 and 12, or is it exclusive? So older than 9 and younger than 12. Okay, so if you said either of these things, age greater than 9 and age less than 12, or if you said age greater than or equal to 9 and age is less than or equal to 12, it's correct. Okay, so what about the second one? The second one says either under the age of 8 or over the age of 11. Okay, so again, let's do a number line, right? So this is 0, okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to check if the age is less than 8, right? If the student is under the age of 8. Okay, so less than 8 would be in this direction. Okay, or over the age of 11. So this is 11, so we want this, right? So we want something in this range, so anything in here or anything in here, right? So how will the Python statement look like? It will look something like this: age less than 8 or age greater than 11. Okay, okay, what about the third one? The third one checks if the age is either 8 or 10 or 12. Okay, so it's not a range per se, it checks for exact ages. So this would be age equals, okay, two equal to's. Age equals 8. Is age equal to 8? Or is age equal to 10? Or age equal to 12? Okay. What about the fourth one? Older than 10 but younger than 14. Okay, so again, let's draw a number line. Okay, and remember this is but. Okay, so number line 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Why not? Okay, so that's our number line. So what we want is older than 10. Okay, so older than 10 but younger than 14. Younger than 14. Okay, so we want something in this range right here. Okay, in this case, in this example, in this English sentence, the but is actually, it sort of stands for an and, right? So you could have said older than 10 and younger than 14. Okay, so but is sort of, it's an and essentially, right? So the Python statement would look like this: age greater than 10 and age is less than 14. Okay, what about the fifth one? What about the fifth one? The fifth one says between the ages of 6 and 8, or between the ages of 10 and 12. Okay, again, number line. Okay, number line. Let's draw a number line. So this is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. Okay, so it says between the ages of 6 and 8, so somewhere in here, in this range right here. Okay, or between the ages of 10 and 12, so this one. Okay, so we want to check if the age falls either in this range or in this range. Okay, there is obviously an or. Okay, which means you have to combine these two expressions using the or conditional, the logical operator, right? So how will this look like? Age uh, between 6 and 8, right? Age is greater than equal to 6 and age less than equal to 8, or you know what, let me clear the screen, or let's do this. So this is between 6 and 8, so age greater than equal to 6 and age less than equal to 8, right? That's age between age 6 and 8, or right, in the next line, okay, age between 10 and 12, so age is greater than equal to 10 and age is less than equal to 12. Okay, so this would be your expression. Now, what Python lets you do is, if you have something like this, right, you can combine this statement. If you have the same variable, okay, and if you are trying to compare the variable in a range, right, what you can do is you can write it this way. You can say 6 6 and 8, right? So 6 is less than age or less than equal to age, which is less than equal to 8. So just write, just like you'd write in mathematics, you can also do in Python. Okay, so you can say 6 less than equal to age less than equal to 8. So if you write that, this will look like this: age, I'm sorry, yeah, 8 and 6 and 8, right? So age is between 6, so 6 is less than equal to age, which is then less than equal to 8, or 10 age 12. Okay, and again, just like before, if you did 6 less than age less than 8, or the equivalent of it, okay, which is to say that you did not include this equal to, that's completely okay. Okay, because again, because this is English, it's a bit ambiguous. Okay, between, does this mean 6 and 8 are included or not, right? So 10 less than age less than 12, this is also correct. Okay, so you're checking these two ranges and then combining these two expressions with an or operator. Okay, the last one, the sixth one, wants to check if the age is neither 10 nor 12 years old, right? So when you have neither, what it sort of hints towards is a not operator. Okay, neither is often used, neither nor is often used for the not operator. Okay, so in this case, what I want to check if is that it's neither 10 years old nor 12 years old, right? Or you could also do not equal to, right? So age age not equals 10, and and age not equals 12. Anything else is okay, but the age is not 10 and the age is not 12. Okay, so neither nor is like an and, can be an and. It can also be a not. Okay, how can it be a not? You could say not age equals 10, or age equals 12. Okay, so this is just another way of writing this. Okay, these are equivalent, these are the same thing. Think about it, think about why these are the same things. Okay, this age is not equal to 10 and age is not equal to 12. Both of these conditions have to be satisfied in order for this to be true, right? Both of these conditions have to be satisfied. So the age cannot be equal to 10 and the age cannot be equal to 12. Okay, in the second case, if the age is 10 or if the age is 12, this returns true, which means the not of that will return false. Okay, so if either one of them is true, the entire thing would be false. Both of them would have to be false in order for this entire thing to be true, right? Which is the exact same thing that we do here, that we do in the first statement. Okay, so the first and the second statements are equivalent. So this is how you convert English sentences into Python Boolean expressions. Okay,